and gentlemen, a very good afternoon. Welcome and thank you for joining us. It is so wonderful to e-meet with you all. My name is Swagata Gupta and I am your host for this wonderful day. It is a beautiful setting created for this virtual event. We have gathered to witness the launch of a co-branded credit card that aims to provide great benefits to its customers. Trust, performance and excellence. These three words are synonymous to the brands who we have come together in this endeavor of providing great benefits to the customers. Today, we have the presence of the key speakers from the three trusted powerhouses who have made this collaboration possible. Without any further ado, let's begin this event with our first speaker of the day. We have amongst us Shri Dilip Asbe, MD and CEO of NPCI. Shri Asbe has built high-capacity platforms and strong team for NPCI. He has played a pivotal role in designing, building, operationalization and management of large-scale payment processing platforms like UPI, BHIM, IMPS and India's homegrown card network RuPay. Shri Asbe, over to you, sir.
NPCI started RuPay debit cards, India's first domestic card payment system. Now NPCI is on its journey to start the RuPay credit cards. I would like to thank Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Honorary Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, for supporting this initiative in a big way. NPCI would like to thank Union Bank of India and HPCL both to come together to launch the RuPay Union Bank HPCL co-brand credit cards. I would like to thank Mukesh Kumar Surana, CMD HPCL. I would like to again thank Union Bank of India team led by Mr. Rajkiran Rai. In fact, this is our second launch in just last 10 days time together. Thank you so much, sir, for your support for RuPay.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable thoughts. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for a special address. We have among us Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Government of India. Let us hear from the Honorable Minister.
नमस्कार। आज एक खुशी की क्षण है, आनंद की मुहूर्त है। हमें बताया गया भारत की तीन बड़े उद्योग, सरकारी उद्योग, एनपीसीआई, यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया और पेट्रोलियम कंपनी की ओर से एचपीसीएल, तीनों मिलके एक कॉमन कार्ड बनाने वाले हैं, रुपये कार्ड बनाने वाले हैं। क्रेडिट कार्ड तो बनता रहता है, लेकिन रुपये प्लेटफॉर्म पे, एनपीसीआई प्लेटफॉर्म पे आज ये जो कॉमन मोबिलिटी की कार्ड आने वाले दिनों में कई प्रकार की सर्विस, कई प्रकार की सुविधा एक ही कार्ड के अंदर मिले, इसी की ओर जो नेशनल कॉमन मोबिलिटी कार्ड की कल्पना की गई माननीय प्रधानमंत्री के द्वारा, जिस कार्ड के ऊपर अन्य अनेक सर्विस को भी उपलब्ध है और उसको यूज किया जा सकता है, जैसे कि आप पेट्रोल डीजल भी भरा सकते हैं, एलपीजी खरीद भी सकते हैं, जिसमें इस कार्ड के आधार पर खरीदने में थोड़ा रिबेट भी आपको मिलेगा, पॉइंट्स आपको ऐड हो जाएगा। ये कार्ड टचलेस होगा, सिर्फ कार्ड को आप पोस्ट मशीन के सामने तक ले जाने में ये फंक्शन करेगा। कोविड-19 के उपरांत इस प्रकार की नए सावधानियां हमको बरतना पड़ रहा है, उस दिशा में इस कार्ड की एक महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मेवारी है। मित्रों, यही तो है डिजिटल इंडिया, यही तो है आत्मनिर्भर भारत। आप सोचिए, रुपे कार्ड जो भारतीय उद्यमियों के द्वारा, भारतीय टेक्नोक्रेट्स के द्वारा और भारतीय कंपनियों के द्वारा बनाई गई कार्ड दुनिया के सबसे बड़ा कंज्यूमर बेस के अंदर काम करेगा। आने वाले दिनों में मेरे को यह भी बताया गया, हमारी आईओसी और एसबीआई की भी एक को ब्रांडेड कार्ड है, उसमें कुछ सर्विसेज और आना बाकी है। धीरे धीरे भारत की अर्थनीति को और पारदर्शी करने के लिए, ट्रांसपेरेंट करने के लिए, मोर अकाउंटेबल करने के लिए हमें कैशलेस पेमेंट की ओर, यानी डिजिटल पेमेंट की ओर जाना पड़ेगा। आज मैं शुभेच्छा देता हूं, बधाई देता हूं इन 3 कंपनियों को, HPCL, यूनियन बैंक और NPCI को, कि आपने आज देश के लिए एक गौरव लाया है। ऐसे इनिशिएटिव आने वाले दिनों में कम से कम पेट्रोलियम कंपनी की सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स लेना चाहिए। इस अवसर पर मैं सभी को आह्वान करता हूं और जनता के अंदर अच्छे सर्विस, ईज ऑफ लिविंग, यही तो है डिजिटल पेमेंट, लोगों की सुविधा के लिए, लोगों की स्वास्थ्य के लिए, लोगों की पारदर्शिता के लिए। मैं आज के अवसर पे इस इनिशिएटिव के लिए सभी स्टेक होल्डर्स को अनेक अनेक शुभेच्छा देता हूं। नमस्कार।
Thank you, sir. It is such an honor to hear from you. Dear all, let me now invite on screen Shri Tarun Kapoor, Secretary, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India.
Very happy to learn that HPCL, Union Bank of India and NPCI have come together to launch a card. This card has several unique good features for the customers of various oil companies. We have been trying to push digitization in a big way. We want most of the customers going to petrol stations to not pay in cash and use any of the digital means. Now, this card, which is based on RuPay, which has already been very successful, is unique in the sense that it offers very good rewards to the customers, and we hope that the customers of HPCL would be motivated to adopt this card in large numbers and also use it so that the cash transactions go down and we move more and more towards digitization. I wish all the 3 partners in this great endeavor and effort success in the future, and also hope that this will play a very, very major role in our target of digitization.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure to hear from you. May I now request Shri Rajkiran Rai ji, MD and CEO of Union Bank of India, to share his thoughts with us. Shri Rai has more than 3 decades of rich banking experience, starting his career in 1986 as an agricultural finance officer in Central Bank of India. Shri Rai rose through ranks while heading various branches at the different parts of the country for more than 17 years. He is chairman of Union Bank of India UK Limited, Union Asset Management Company and Star Union Daiichi Life Insurance Company Limited, and also director on the board of Exim Bank and Oriental Insurance Company Limited. Earlier, he also served on the board of Canara HSBC Oriental Bank of Commerce Life Insurance Company. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear from Shri Rajkiran Rai ji.
We are happy to announce that we are launching the Union Bank HPCL co-branded credit card on the RuPay platform. Our partnership with HPCL, one of the leading players in fuel segment, and RuPay, India's global card payment network, provides us an opportunity to work together to create value for our customers. Union Bank of India is committed to customer centricity, designing products and processes that enable ease of living. As a bank, it is our desire to understand the needs of our customers and provide them with solutions that cater to their needs. Fuel consumption has increased across the country, both in metro and non-metro cities. With our branch network in each and every state across the country, we believe that this product will benefit customers in their daily life. This co-branded credit card brings exclusive rewards and benefits for our customers. Apart from cashback benefits, there is waiver on fuel surcharge while using card at HPCL authorized outlets. the cardholder also gets rupees 10 lakh of accidental insurance coverage. The Union Bank HPCL co-branded credit card takes us another step closer to making India a less cash economy and realizing Digital India vision of our Honorable Prime Minister.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable thoughts. May I now request Shri Mukesh Kumar Surana, Chairman and Managing Director, HPCL, to share his thoughts with us. Prior to this, Shri Surana served as Chief Executive Officer, Price Petroleum Company Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary and upstream arm of HPCL. Shri Surana has vast experience in domestic and international oil and gas business and is known for his business acumen, innovative ideas and people-centric leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have Shri Mukesh Kumar Surana on screen, please.
HPCL is very happy to partner with Union Bank of India and NPCI to launch co-branded RuPay credit card with new facilities to enhance customer convenience. This is the first co-branded RuPay credit card which is powered with National Common Mobility Card features, which will help the cardholders to have the facility to use this card for metro travel, bus travel, parking fees, FASTag, etc. in addition to all the features of a credit card with enhanced offerings and rewards. HPCL has always been in the forefront of adopting new technologies not only in our products but also in our services, and so is the case in digital payment services. This contactless unified RuPay credit card will help in promoting digital payment ecosystem and meet the expectations of the modern time. On behalf of HPCL, I would like to compliment all the team members at UBI, NPCI and HPCL on the launch of this co-branded credit card and wish all the success in this endeavor and look forward to many such endeavors in future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inputs. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's the moment that we have all been waiting for. It's time for the launch of the Union Bank and HPCL co-branded contactless RuPay credit card. Dear all, here's the card for you.
What comes to mind when you hear the words travel or road trip? Or shopping, adventure, dining? It's always a sense of joy and excitement. But how do you figure out the best way to experience these events to the fullest? You need a payment solution that empowers you to travel and pay carefree in today's digital world. A world where people are already opting for the safer bet by making their daily transactions contactless and effortless, where the need for seamless transit and zero-touch commute has become a part of our daily life. So, how can you ensure a safe, remarkable experience for yourself wherever you go and be on the move? With our technological prowess and the support of our partners, we have a solution for you. Something that is going to change the way you fuel up and pay for your travel and lifestyle needs. HPCL and Union Bank of India, in association with RuPay, together present the Unicarbon Credit Card, a card that allows you to simply tap and pay at petrol pumps, making fuel payments quick, contactless, and extremely rewarding, with numerous benefits that come along. Benefits like a 4% cashback on your spends at HPCL outlets, a welcome bonus of 300 rupees, and numerous reward points on fuel and other spends, plus extra rewards and 1.5% extra cashback on HP Pay Wallet. as well as accelerated milestone rewards after crossing rupees 1,25,000 spent in a year. Access to all the RuPay exclusive offers across all categories. And you can make the most of the contactless transit functionality, which enables seamless transit through metros and buses in your city. In addition to this, you are eligible for other advantages like 1% fuel surcharge waiver on payments made at HPCL outlets and a personal accident insurance and permanent disability cover of up to 10 lakhs rupees. With so many benefits and rewards to indulge in, it's time to experience contactless travel and fuel payments in a refreshingly new way. What are you waiting for? Get your Unicarbon credit card and be on the move.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the Union Bank and HPCL co-branded contactless RuPay credit card for you, which is set to provide a rewarding and delightful transaction experience to the cardholders. Let me take this opportunity to invite Shri Rakesh Misri, Director Marketing, HPCL. Shri Misri has rich and varied professional exposure of over 37 years in HPCL. He has held various senior level positions in the organization, heading North Zone Retail as Executive Director, Direct Sales, ED, Human Resource, ED, Corporate Strategy and Business Development and ED, LPG. He has various academic distinctions to his credit and is a key technical speaker in in-house capability building seminars and workshops. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear from Shri Misri.
CEO and MD of Union Bank of India, Shri Raj Kiran ji, CEO and MD of NPCI, Shri Dilip Asbe, COO NPCI, Mrs. Praveena Rai, and all the dignitaries present on this momentous occasion of the launch of HPCL UBI co-branded RuPay credit card. I am very pleased to note that in pursuance to the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Digital India, HPCL, Union Bank of India and NPCI have today joined hands to launch a new co-branded credit card on the RuPay platform. With an aim to offer safe transaction environment to the customers, this card is equipped with a contactless feature where the customer can just tap and pay on the POS terminal. This card is also based on National Common Mobility Card program, which allows cashless fare payment mechanism across all public transport systems in the country, such as metros, buses, cabs, etc., leading to establishment of an interoperable fare management system. Designed to reward loyal HPCL customers, the card offers benefit in terms of cashback and fuel surcharge waiver at HPCL retail outlets. In addition, customers will earn reward points on HP Pay mobile app. HP Pay is designed to make life easy for our customers, and it is a unified app that can be utilized to make payment for products and services offered by HPCL's various business units like retail, LPG and lubes. The app will have the functionality of accepting various payment methods like credit card, debit card, wallet, UPI, net banking, etc. To strengthen the digital payment ecosystem and move towards a less cash economy at retail outlets, HPCL network of 18,000 retail outlets and 6,500 LPG distributors have been enabled with multiple modes of payment through credit cards, debit cards, BHIM, UPI, multiple wallets and loyalty cards like DT Plus and HP Pay. We are happy to note that both RuPay and UPI transactions are growing more than 100% year on year at our retail outlets. To have quicker payments at our outlets, we have enabled about 20,000 terminals for accepting RuPay contactless payments. Customer safety being our topmost priority during the pandemic period, we are encouraging contactless transactions with use of other payment methodologies like FASTag and pre-authorized payment. We appreciate the efforts of UBI and NPCI teams for structuring the co-branded card value proposition and for collaborating with HPCL. On behalf of HPCL, I would like to compliment UBI and NPCI teams on the launch of co-branded credit card and wish them success in this endeavor. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable thoughts. It is now time to hear from some of our key speakers from Union Bank of India and HPCL who have been instrumental in the success of this collaboration. First, let me invite Shri Dinesh Kumar Garg, Executive Director, Union Bank of India. Prior to this, Shri Garg was the General Manager at Bank of India, heading Business Process, Re-engineering and Systems and Management Department of the bank, where he was spearheading improvement in various processes, structural changes and developed various new products and customer offering. Shri Garg, in his banking career of over 3 decades, has worked extensively both in the field and administrative offices. Over to you, sir.
It gives me immense pleasure to be associated with the grand launch of Union Bank HPCL Carbon co-branded fuel credit card. Both Union Bank and HPCL are the leading public sector enterprises with huge network and outlets. The proposed co-branded credit card is a platinum variant of RuPay card. Cardholders will be able to enjoy many freebies and offers brought out by NPCI such as entertainment, lifestyle, travel, shopping, food delivery, etc. Apart from that, while using credit card at HPCL retail outlets, the cardholder will get additional rewards provided by HPCL and Union Bank and additional benefits such as cashback and rewards offered by Union Bank and HPCL. Union Bank has the card base of around 5 lakhs with an annual turnover of around 600 crores and ranks fourth among the public sector banks. The present co-branded card is first of its kind with the HPCL major player in the fuel retail, and cardholder will certainly be benefiting out of it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your views. Ladies and gentlemen, we now have among us Shri Sai Kumar Suri, Executive Director, Retail Sales, HPCL. In his career spanning over 30 years with HPCL, Shri Suri has worked in various capacities in operations and distribution, engineering, retail strategy and sales. He is currently heading the retail business unit as its executive director and aspires to provide a differentiated experience to customers in the retail network. Let us hear from Shri Suri.
CEO and MD of Union Bank of India, Shri Raj Kiran Ji, CEO and MD of NPCI, Shri Dilip Asbe, and COO NPCI, Mrs. Praveena Roy, and our Director Marketing at HPCL, Shri Rakesh Mishri, and all the dignitaries present on this momentous occasion of the launch of HPCL UBI co-branded RuPay credit card. HPCL is always on the forefront of adoption of new technology, not only in our products, but also in digital payments. We are the first oil company to adopt many customer-centric initiatives like retail automation, integrated payment solution, mobile app for retail customers, RFID and FASTag-based payment systems, etc. To meet the growing expectations, changing preferences, and requirements of this ever-evolving market space, we launched our HP Pay mobile app, which is the first of its kind in the industry. To enhance our engagement with small ticket retail customers and in order to boost our retail payment ecosystem across our network of more than 18,000 retail outlets, we are excited for this launch of HPCL UBI co-branded credit card on RuPay platform. This credit card is also powered with NCMC feature, first among OMC co-branded credit cards, which enables the user to pay for metro and bus and taxi travel apart from paying for other usual purchases and transactions. This card offers the best value proposition among the existing co-branded cards among the OMCs. HPCL has embarked upon our digital transformation project Parikalp to leverage the power of digital, especially its technologies such as IoT, AI, cloud-based services, etc., to achieve its business objectives, improve operational efficiency, and more importantly, improve customer experience. We at HPCL are proud to collaborate with UBI, one of the largest PSU banks in India and pioneers in credit card issuance with a large customer base and widespread branch network. We are also very proud to be associated with NPCI, who have made a significant impact on the retail payment systems in the country with RuPay cards, UPI, BHIM app and others. On behalf of HPCL, I would like to compliment all our teams at HPCL and the teams at UBI and NPCI on this launch of the co-branded credit card and wish all of us success in this endeavor. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your insights. We have among us Shri KSD Sivavara Prasad, General Manager, Union Bank of India. Shri Prasad has 36 years of rich experience in banking industry. He joined the bank in 1985 and worked in various assignments across India. Presently, he is handling retail liabilities, cards and POS business in the amalgamated entity. Let's hear from Shri Prasad.
I am very happy to be associated with Unique Urban Credit Card launching program. This is a maiden venture of our Union Bank of India with HPCL. It's a co-branding exercise, and any customer uses the credit card of this Unique Urban, he derives so much offers and benefits also. And if the customer downloads the HPPay app, still some more benefits will accrue to them. It is always our bank's endeavor to maximize the customer's value and derive the benefits to the customer. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable inputs. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we now approach towards the end of today's event, and before we do, I would like to invite on screen Srimati Praveena Rai, COO, NPCI, for the vote of thanks. Srimati Rai is responsible for running the businesses, the products, the operational and technical delivery. Passionate about payments and technology as drivers to economic value, she helps NPCI attain its strategic objectives of offering simple, secure, and seamless digital payments experience to customers and users across the ecosystem that can lead to rapid digitalization of India. Over to you, ma'am.
Fuel and petrol is a top category for any card program, and this card, the Unique Carbon card, is a card that brings the best of this together. It is a card launched by the Union Bank of India and Hindustan Petroleum, HPCL, along with NPCI. At NPCI, we love to be amongst the innovators for digital payments, and it is really our privilege to be part of this program and for HPCL and Union Bank to have decided to use the RuPay platform. The card brings a lot of goodies with it. Needless to say, it has a lovely welcome kit. There are fuel surcharge offers, reward points, and all the benefits that are associated with RuPay cards. But what makes it even more exciting is that this is a contactless card. So it's a card which you can just tap and go in any petrol pump. So it's a queue buster. One does not need to have to wait in long queues, whether it's a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler, a consumer vehicle or a commercial vehicle. And it also has all the other features associated with an offline transaction. So offline transactions can be made when there is no data connectivity in the petrol pump. So let's say remote parts of the country, the card still works. And combine this with what is called a soft POS capability. If the bunk does not have a regular terminal, then the mobile phone can be converted into a terminal to actually accept the cards. This is called the soft POS functionality, and all of this, coming together creates a kind of reach, kind of depth that truly does justice to the lacks of petrol pump distribution that is available with HPCL as well as all the branches of Union Bank. And I'm very sure that this will be a successful card and wish the team all the best to take this forward.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable inputs. Thank you so much, everyone, for taking time to make this event a success. Have a very good day.